camera because I look pretty bad, but I wanted to do this quick Dollar Tree haul because I ran over there to see if they had any more of those puzzles I was looking for, and I actually did find the Clueless ones. Even though my sister got me one, I picked up a couple more just because I know my girls love that movie. So I thought I could throw those in for an extra Christmas gift. So I'm just going to try to kind of stay out of the camera because I don't want to be on camera. So anyhow, let me go through what I've just found. Found these hair masks, and they're actually L'Oreal, so that's nice. So I have to hold it back here. And then, okay, hold on. Let me put those down. Then I found some more of those Bolero products. Cleansing Jelly Facial Balm, Blue Algae, and Coconut Oil. In this really beautiful packaging again. So when I find these items, I will be picking those up because I actually have some of them and I like them. So I got that, and I got, going through all the beauty stuff first, some of these charcoal nose strips. Those are always fun. We won't talk about that because that's gross. And then I got, this one I didn't see when I was there the last time, the Hydrating Facial Elixir, Lotus, and plus Red Ginseng. So I'm looking forward to trying that. Yeah, so, sorry about that. So that, oops, okay, sorry, just filming on my phone here. Trying to do this fast. And then I got this Brightening Eye Cream, coffee plus green tea. I really like this, so I'm excited about trying this. I'll let you know. So there's that. Let me go through all the beauty stuff first. And then these John Frieda Wonder Drops Hair Mask, Frizz Smoothing. I can definitely use this. And it's a really good brand too, John Frieda. So that was a real good score. I also picked up these sequins because I'm doing a DIY with a black Christmas tree and it's small, and I'm going to use some of these gold sequins and the rose gold sequins, maybe just the rose gold sequins on it as ornaments. So I'll show you when I do that. And then I picked up this really cute book that I can use for one of my class things when we do mermaids. It's called Molly's Journey. It looks really cute. So yeah, that'll be really cool when we do Under the Sea or just a mermaid theme completely. The pictures are adorable. They're really vibrant. So anyhow, got that. I picked this up for DIY, and I'm just gonna, it's a frame. It's cute to use as a frame, but look at, it's got this gold trim on the edges, but I'm gonna be using it for my glue gun holder project. Let me grab that really quick so I can show you what I'm talking about, because I got this idea from another YouTuber. So this is going to go inside of there, and it doesn't even really, I'm not going to paint it or anything. It's just a place to stick my glue gun. So I'll do that. So I got that. And I also picked up, like I told you, more of these puzzles. Clueless. I looked all over this box trying to figure out how big this puzzle is, but I couldn't seem to find it, and the writing that they had on it is like micro small, so I'll have to find out what that is. I also picked up a bunch of food items, so let me show you what I got. I got these pie shells, these brown cracker pie shells. So I've been meaning to make some pies, and I have a lot of ingredients for that. I'm going to make some cream pies, like a pumpkin mousse pie, maybe a lemon cream pie, banana cream pie. Oh, I saw these and I was like, gosh, they sound good for a salad. Garlic and butter Texas toast croutons. Yeah, these look really good. I found these Marie calendars. So I don't know if Marie calendars is all over the country, but I know most of them have closed down here now, but I used to love Marie calendars. But they have these blueberry muffin mixes. So I thought I would try that, and maybe that'll be a video so we can see how it turns out. I picked up, okay, Knorr is a really good brand for their sauces and stuff. So these pasta sides are really good. So I picked up 4 of those. Yeah, 4 of those. I also picked up some popcorn because I needed it for one of my gift bags, or gift baskets, I should say. It's just the Pop Weaver extra butter. So I might build it. I'll probably do more than one of those bags. And then I also picked up these because whenever my daughter comes, I always send her to work in the morning with leftovers. So I grabbed a couple of those. And I grabbed a few more of the bigger gift bags. This one's really cute. It's a snowman. And they have this pattern on the sides of the bag. I thought that was really cute for some more of my bigger Christmas gifts that might be hard to wrap, as well as this one. Since they're for kids, I try to make them really cute. And this one's adorable with the snowman on the sidecar and the reindeer driving. And the inside of these are this pattern, which is cute too. What else? What else? What else? Oh, picked up. So this is going to be great for a pizza. I'm going to try this pizza crust. It's ultra thin, but I like ultra thin. So I picked that up. I have some marinara sauce in my cupboard pantry, quite a bit. And then I got these Farmer John pork sausage, and you can easily turn these into Italian sausage with spices, you know, basil and oregano and all of that, and garlic, and it comes out really good. I know because I've done it multiple times. I also picked up a new pizza pan because my other one is getting really trashed, and for $1, I mean, even if you only use it for a couple of months, it's totally worth it. So I got that, and I also picked up some more tissue paper because, again, like I keep saying, you never have too much tissue paper. And this one actually has these really, you can't tell on camera, but it has these really pretty poinsettias and snowflakes on it. You can kind of see it. So I got that. And wow, I mean, Dollar Tree's getting really good about brand names. So I picked up this Reach 6-in-1 Anti-Plaque mouth rinse. I've never used this one, so I don't know if I'm gonna like this flavor, but we'll see. Let you know on that. I picked up this Dawn Anti-Bacterial dish soap, which I use for hand soap because it works good. And I picked up some Kleenex tissues, and this one's really cute with the pattern on it. It's got this navy blue with the basket weave. And then it says smile every day. So these are cute when you can find these. And I picked up this one because I thought it was really a pretty blue marble. And this one is Scotty's tissues. One last thing, this stuff, because it's amazing. It cleans everything. Like I've never used anything that you sprayed on and it actually cuts right through grease and grime. So this awesome, what's it called? LA's Totally Awesome Orange. All these Totally Awesome products are really good, but I especially like the orange. I clean with it all the time. So I just wanted to do that really quick, and I wanted to make sure I shared everything with you. So I will talk to you soon. Got to make dinner. Bye, y'all.